Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I'm so excited for today's video. We are going to be decorating my kitchen for fall. Now, I know that I am not alone in this. I have a really tiny kitchen. So many of you have told me that you have a tiny kitchen too. So decorating it can be kind of challenging because most of us get kind of anxious and feel a bit of anxiety when there's too much in the kitchen. It kind of loses its functionality. So I am going to kind of give you my personal tips and tricks for avoiding those sort of feelings while still having some decor in the kitchen and making it feel like fall. And I think I will do a couple more decorate with me videos in other areas of my house before my full fall home tour. Enough rambling, let me turn the camera around and let's start decorating. All right, you guys, so let's get decorating. I'm gonna start where my dog treat canisters are. I like to decorate where I already have items sitting out so that I don't have tons of vignettes everywhere. It just looks cleaner that way. And I also think that decorating with a tray is a great idea. It makes everything look organized and intentional. And it makes cleanup really easy too, because you can just pick up the tray with everything on it, clean underneath it, and be done. So another tip that I have for you guys is try to decorate the items that you have to have sitting out on your counter, whether you put some ribbon on them, maybe a cute tag, you could tie some leaves and acorns to your canisters, or maybe your spoon crock, whatever. So I'm just gonna add a couple little bows to my canisters with this ribbon from Michaels that I got for I think like $1.50, super cheap, and it looks so cute once I'm done.
As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be.
Something cheap and easy that we can all do is just put out a seasonal scented soap. It's fun to look at all the fall decor, but nothing makes it feel quite like the fall season, like the scents of fall. So apple cider from Mrs. Meyer's is my favorite. I will link it below, as well as a free 5-piece gift set with your first purchase at Grove, where you can get this for yourself for free if you are interested.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
So my next piece of advice for you guys is to decorate with tall, kind of skinnier items. One, they just look a little bit more sleek, but two, they take up way less counter space, which is very important if you are working with not that much counter space like me. So I'm using a cake stand and I get to fill this up with tons of little gourds, and I can switch out the items inside with each season. But if you don't have a cake stand and you don't want to go out and get one, maybe if you have a skinny tall pumpkin, or during the Christmas season a little artificial Christmas tree, something like that. It's not going to take up too much counter space. It's only going to take up vertical space, and that's really what will keep your counters looking really clean and sleek and non-cluttered.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder.
So this is the other half of my kitchen, and as you can see, there's no counter space. So I like to kind of double up my towels. It kind of gives a more wow factor effect since I can't put too much on the countertops. And I'm gonna switch out my crock for this copper one. This is actually a wine bottle chiller, not gonna lie. But you could spray paint maybe like a vase from the Dollar Tree or something to match the colors of your kitchen. And that's the only little guy I'm putting out on my counters. He just kind of matches the crock and he doesn't take up too much space. Another thing you can do is decorate above your stove. No countertops harmed when you decorate above the stove. So this sign is from TJ Maxx and I just absolutely love it. I think it is so cute. So I want to give a shout out to my friend Bella from Bella D Design. She is one of my best friends here on YouTube, and she just launched her own home decor store where she hand makes these amazing cutting boards. These are FDA approved and food safe, so you could absolutely do like a charcuterie board. Is that the right word? Did I say that right? A meat and cheese spread. Or use it as a candlescape or to cut on. I think it's too pretty to cut on though. I'm definitely going to be using mine for decorative purposes, but I'm going to link this board below. Please go support Bella. Her items are made in North America, and she is an entrepreneur, a fellow YouTuber, and such a good friend. So I'm going to link her and her store down below.
Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
My next piece of advice is about tablescapes. I know we see gorgeous tablescapes on YouTube and Instagram all the time, but if you use your table daily, it's so annoying to disassemble your tablescape just to put it right back on. So keep your tablescapes simple, be realistic. I just put a table runner and a very easy, simple centerpiece so that I can take them off super easily when I use the table. So my favorite part of this tablescape has to be this preserved eucalyptus. This is real eucalyptus that's just been dried and preserved, so it has a much better look than the artificial florals and that kind of a thing. No disrespect to those, because I have tons of those as well. But I really love the way these look. You can find these in the fall section right now at Hobby Lobby, and they also have green ones in the wedding section, so definitely check there if you are interested. And by the way, I know my table runner is a little bit too long. I will show you in just a second here that I tie up the ends to make it fit the table a little bit better.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side.
Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my little tips and tricks for small kitchen decorating. I hope you like seeing me decorate. If you want to see more decorating videos for fall and for Christmas coming soon too, definitely hit the subscribe button so you don't miss those. And I want to say thank you guys so much for spending some time with me in today's video and for your constant love and support. I love you guys so much. I can't thank you enough. And I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.